Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in clear learner goals and the first actionable steps. Pick 1 to 3 measurable objectives, then choose your platform and assemble key assets. Once done, map each objective to a 30-90-second video chunk and a corresponding interaction. Make sure to set time budget per module and a basic branching plan so you can record with purpose rather than improvising. This reduces rework and keeps your training focused on outcomes. You now construct the complex middle, design the interactive checkpoints and the branching logic that supports learning. Once you place questions, add immediate, specific feedback and short remediation clips for wrong answers. This keeps learners engaged and prevents frustration. Make sure to balance challenge and support by varying item types, drag, multiple choice, and hotspots so learning stays active. During this phase, test flow locally to catch dead ends and pacing. You finish by polishing and validating the experience. Run a pilot with representative learners, review analytics, and iterate on timing and clarity. Once done, ensure SCORM or XAPI reporting matches objectives and check mobile responsiveness. Make sure videos and interactions load under typical bandwidth. If learners report broken branches, reproduce the path, adjust triggers, and republish. A key troubleshooting tip: clear caching and test in an incognito window to rule out
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.